Let me out.
Poop your pants. Poop your pants.
Rory, say, let me out.
Nobody ever buys me an emu egg. I thought it was Jody.
Poop your pants.
Let me out.
Poop your pants.
No, he said.
Pee your pants. Poop your buttocks out. Mom, can I get something for the family? Keep your buttocks.
I didn't bring any money, no.
Keep your buttocks out.
Rory, stop being disgusting. Amy, did you hear him say, let me out?
No. Shampoo.
Rory, make him say, let me out.
Let me out. He said out.
Let
Let
me
me
out.
out. Get your farts out.
No, he says, let me out.
Get your poopies out. Keep your pants off. Get your poopies out.
Hey, stop being gross, you two.
He laughed.
Did he bite you?
No.
Say bye-bye. Hello.
What are those alpacas? I mean,
How's your friend, Danny?